Okay, go.
Okay, I'm back. Now I'm going to head up. It's a seaweed's distant cousin. It's called a ramor.
Ah.
It has these amazing spines. They have actually venomous spines. They can't touch them. Whoa! Venomous spines used to hit predators if they come near them. Distant cousins, yeah. This could be protective to help them. Okay. Better not let it hit me. Now, before we end this life in Salmon Creek, I want to find one more thing. I gotta do it now.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
This is something. It's called. It's another living. It's another thing. It's not a snake. It's called a spine snake. They got these spines. And these. This one's pregnant because these are pods that they use for the babies. The babies, and these are pods that they use that have venom in them, and they used to squirt venom at their enemies, and like this one's trying to get me away, and they play dead, much like the ring call snake. They can't play as well dead as the ring call snake, but they do to play dead. So imagine if a child picked this up and plays it for a while, these pods will squirt venom at it. And when it gets in your eyes, that could be a real problem. They squirt venom in the predator's eyes to blind it. Then they consume it while it's blind.
Very dangerous.
Oh, it's starting to move. Oh, wait a minute, its tail. Gotta get this out of here. Oh, moving. Join us next time on the Life in Salmon Creek.